Afternoon from Hello, good afternoon from here. Means I have already done my email management, but I just imported this from another of my emails. The first thing you do when you come to your email, the first thing you do, these are my inbox. The first thing you do is to create label. Come to the left panel here, you see label, create label. So I want to create label for, I'll just say it's AI tools. You click on label here. I'll name it AI tools. I'll click on create. If you come down, you have seen that I've created this AI tools. What you do next, before you start doing this, screenshot this page, this particular email, screenshot it before you start creating fields, doing any filtering, screenshot this place. The laptop you might be using, but just Google it. The laptop you are using, what is the keys for screenshot? So screenshot it before you start. After First of all, let's label it, label color. And I'll go ahead with, let me go ahead with this brown, I'll ash. I've created it. Now, the first thing you do is come to your inbox. Note, create all labels according to the kind of emails you are receiving. Name it, tag it personal email. If it's banks, create banks. Under that banks, like this AI tools, click on these three dots beside it. I want to add another label inside it. I want to add another label inside this AI tools. So you now come down here, you click on AI tools. I'll write Canva. This is where inside this AI tools, that's where I'm creating this Canva. You click on create. If you come to this left panel, see AI tools. Under AI tools, you see Canva. Click on the three buttons beside Canva. You rename, label the color, I mean to say. Let me give it this color. That's how it is. If you see the kind of things you are receiving, kind of emails you are receiving from your mailbox, I'll go ahead and add another sub-label. Click here, add sub-label, and I'll create chat GPT. Chat GPT. I'll go ahead and click on create. You see, GPT is under AI tools. I'll go ahead and change the color. I'll give it this color. I'll go ahead, which email that I create again. Okay, I'll go ahead under Grammarly. Though it's not, I use it all the time. Grammarly. I'm just using this to set an example. Grammarly. And I'll click on create. These are the labels I created sub labels. I just call them like daughter, mother and daughters or son. Canva, ChatGPT, and Grammarly. You understand? So these are the labels I've created. If you go down, these are the ones I've created. Okay. So the next thing we'll do is to click. I'll use this Canva. The first, click on the email you receive. Click on one. Once you open it, You see the sender's address. This a copy this email. Don't copy it with this greater and less than symbol. Just copy only the email address. You see my highlight. Copy it. Copy. The next thing you do is go to this search box. You click on this on your right. Just follow my cursor, please. The thing you do is to paste the email you copied here. Paste it. Okay. Then from Canva, once your email will automatically show. You click on your email. I'll skip the subject. I'll skip has the words. I'll skip doesn't have. I'll skip size. Is already in its right position. Date within. Under this date within, I'll click that drop down arrow. I'll select on this date part. Don't touch it because automatically your dates from 1 year to up to date. So your calendar is up to date. I'll now say all email. Leave it at this. Anywhere the email is hiding is all email. I don't want it anywhere. You now go ahead and create filter. Click on create filter. It will bring you to this interface. The next thing you do, you click. Please just follow what I'm saying. For now, for the sake of the assignment, with time you understand everything. Click on skip inbox. Mark skip the inbox. Okay. This thing, if is you are working for executive, these things are very important. Every message that is coming will go to the proper ones. If it's an urgent one, during when you create label email to urgent, once the executive log into his or her email, she'll go straight to urgent and check which email is there. Maintain zero inbox. No messages should be found in your inbox. Okay, that's why you create folders. Any message that comes to inbox, know that the message just come maybe from another company or someone. You read it, and if it's something that is important, you flag it important. Your executive will read it. So when you come to this place, mark skip inbox. Now come to this apply the label. Follow my cursor. Tools that I created. If AI tools doesn't have any sub folder, you not see this AI tools Canva, AI tools chats, GPT, AI tools grammar. So due to I created subfolders under AI tools, I'll choose the right folder, which I open the email to stroke. You understand? I'll now go down. The last one, you see also apply filter to 3 matching conversation. There are other 3 email from Canva, so I'll click on it. Always click here. You see other other messages from that particular email, you click it. After that, you create filter. Now let's go back. You see the message here. This is Canva label. You see that all the message that came from Canva is under AI tools Canva. That is the labels I've created. That is the way. So it won't be doing anything in my inbox because I've already said the message should skip my inbox. Let's go to Chat GPT. We'll click on it. Which one is more? Let me click on this one. This one has more email. So this message, First thing you do is locate the sender. This is the sender, infiniteaudiostories at gmail.com. First thing you do is to copy the email. Copy this email. The next thing you do is go to, okay, yeah, who sent this email? Yes, Infinite Audio Stories. The next thing you do is to copy it and go to search mail box. Click here. Any message from Infinite Audio Story, paste paste the email here. And then to my mail, to my email, Pamela Ifesnachadani, within from 1 year. Filter. You click here, bell, click on this. You choose where the email should go. You know the kind of emails you receive. That is why I say you should create labels according to the type of emails you receive. So I created a follow-up label. I'll click on follow-up. You see the last one, just like I said, there are 13 emails, 13 message or emails from this particular email address. I'll click on this. I'll mark it. First of all, I don't want it to appear in my inbox. Keep my inbox. Apply the label, which I applied already. I click also apply filter to the matching conversations. You now click on create filter. Now let's go. Are you seeing my inbox now? Are you seeing that there's no Infinite Audio, any message from Infinite Audio Stories? You will not see it in my inbox. So let's go. There's no message in my follow up, but if I click it now, I have 12 messages there. They have all appeared in the follow up. So this is the way you go ahead and create filters on all the important messages. So anyone that is not important, start deleting your messages. You need to maintain zero inbox. Anyone you see that is not important, delete them. Now, let me show you how. Let me go to my inbox because I don't have anything important there for now. So this is my inbox. If you go to your inbox, you click on, let's go up. You click, please follow my mouse. Click here. All the messages will be selected. So I don't have any important things that is showing here now. I'll go ahead and click on delete. Okay. I'll click again, delete. It's all these messages, I don't need them. Messages in my inbox because all those messages are useless. I've already created labels for the ones I want to that are important. So you only create labels for important stuffs. For your personal one, or if it's for your clients, don't ever delete your client's message. You just archive them. Okay. Let me go to this follow up. So let's assume that I select all these images. Don't delete your client's message. Okay. Follow my mouse. You see here, you see archive or move to. Where am I? Where is my I think because they are still in folders. But in your inbox, once you select it, you must see archive on top of this place that my cursor is moving. You archive them. Don't ever delete your client's messages. It's not responsible. So that is how to create filter. If I go to all email, have you seen all my emails? Are you seeing that they are all labeled? These ones are drafts. These ones are on my templates for sending messages. write up. If I need something, I just add the person's email and forward it to the person. So this is how to create template filters instruction. If you don't understand, that is where you now call me. So even if you call me, you at least I know that you have an idea of what you are doing. Thank you.